What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, before, I've made a few videos about how much XRP you may need in order to become wealthy, in order to become a millionaire, in order to maybe even get yourself out of whatever situation that you're in. Now, the issue with that last part is the fact that you're risking, money, maybe money that you need in order to get to this place, the promised land, right? It's kind of like a gambling mindset in a way. Now, if it's something where you're consistently investing and you're looking for a larger investment in a sector that is maybe a little bit unexplored, that's the best case scenario in that area. But when it comes to utilizing money that you need today, I don't recommend that. But I think XRP has a lot of promise to it, has a lot of growth left on the table for sure. It's going to have a large use case. And because of all these different pieces, we're going to see it gradually make those moves, large jumps, and then gradually make more moves, and then large jumps, and so on and so forth. So in this video, I want to talk about how much you need on a conservative level, right? If we're looking at both maybe a little bit more aggressive and a conservative level on becoming a millionaire, on becoming wealthy. Now, before we get started in this video, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. I have a link in the description for BTCC if you guys are interested in that. It honestly is a very, very good platform that I've been using for over a year. If you use my link, you'll get a 10% deposit bonus on your first time deposit. Extra bonuses up to $10,055, and you can enjoy up to 40% lower trading fees. Also, there's a giveaway going on until the end of March, so you have a few days left to really enter that giveaway. All you have to do is sign up, deposit, and trade before March 31st, and you will be entered to win a giveaway of 375 USDT. It's going out to 2 different winners, and you have a very, very good chance of becoming one of those winners. So feel free to check it out. Link is down there at the top of the description. Now, XRP currently stands at a $1.42 price. It is up all time, 24,000%. So if you found a way to invest at the 58% of a penny level to where we are today, you're up 24,000%. However, in the last year, it is down by 41%. In the last month, it's up by 1%. And last week, 3%, and 24 hours up by 1.13%. It is sitting at an $87 billion market cap with $2.2 billion worth of volume in the last 24 hours. Also, there are 523,000 holders with 61 billion coins in circulation for the supply. Now, again, I've mentioned plenty of times about how much XRP you may need to become wealthy, to become rich, to become a millionaire. And I think we have to understand those pieces, right? If you say, how much XRP do you need to become wealthy? Well, it depends what your definition of wealthy is, right? Is wealthy finally being at a positive net worth or a break-even net worth or something like that, getting rid of your student loan debt, maybe credit card debt, car loans, mortgage loans, all of those things, and now becoming to where you own all the assets that you have. That could be your form of wealthy. There are many people in the world that are in their 40s and 50s that still, and 60s, that still don't have that and have true financial freedom and have the ability to say that their net worth is 0 or higher, right? Many people's net worth nowadays is negative, right? Where they owe on their house. And yes, they may be worth more than what they owe, but then comes in student loans, and comes in credit card loans, and comes in personal loans, and comes in car loans, and all these different pieces that kind of get you to a negative net worth, right? So it could be that, or it could be having hundreds of thousands of dollars of disposable income, or being a millionaire. And I think we like to kind of hone in on that millionaire status. So that's kind of where we're going to go with this video here. If we look at a search on Google, this kind of gives you a breakdown of really everything. So to become a millionaire with XRP, you will likely need to hold 10,000 and between 10,000 and 50,000 plus tokens, assuming a long-term high growth scenario, price reaching $20 to $100, while 2,500 plus XRP places you in the top 10% of holders. Significantly higher amounts are required to generate life-changing wealth from current price levels, requiring substantial capital and high risk tolerance. So not only do you need to be holding your XRP, let's say the 10,000 to 50,000 XRP, maybe even lower, right? The 2,500. You need to be holding that, but you also need to have that patience. Because if you're holding a lower amount, let's say you have 2,500 XRP at a $1 price point, and it gets to a $100 price point, and you're adding 2 zeros to what you have, you're now sitting on $250,000. For somebody that spent $2,500 on XRP to turn that into $2,000 or $250,000, now you're like, what do I do with this, right? Most people, they would sell it even before it even gets to that point. It gets to $100,000, like, I'm taking this, and that's perfectly fine. So you need patience in order to become a millionaire, not just the investment that you make, but also understanding what it's going to be and researching as you go and believing in that project. So to become a millionaire from $2,500 or 2,500 XRP can happen. It's unlikely because of all of the different factors. Now you add in more tokens, 10,000 tokens. Now it gets to a $100 price point. You add 2 zeros to that. That's $1 million that you have. Now it's easier to accept higher balances, higher profits, because of the fact that you have more tokens, right? You can take 5,000 here and take 5,000 there. You can take 2,500 here, 2,500 here, and then 5,000 there, right? You can split it up. Then when you add more tokens, 20,000, 50,000, 100,000 tokens, now it makes it easier to say that you can get there. But what's the realistic level to say that you can get to $1 million balance? Well, honestly, it depends on your mindset. So I'll say 2,500 tokens could realistically get you to where you want to get to be wealthy, right? 10,000 to 20,000, in my opinion, is the level of comfort to where you can accept half and sit on half, right? Then you start to get into the other levels, higher levels, where it's easier to accept. And if it was me to say, what is the most comfortable level for you to have in order to not guarantee, but give yourself the best chance to become a millionaire from it or wealthy from it, I would say 25,000 XRP would be the most comfortable level, to accept without spending too much or risking too much. But then, once you start jumping into the high tens of thousands and hundreds of thousands, now it feels like you may be risking too much compared to all the rest of your income. So 2,500, definitely doable, and definitely doable to become wealthy from. I think for sure you can, do all the things that you want to do with that money there. It makes it a little bit less likely to hold until $1 million, though. For 10,000 to 25,000, that's kind of the best scenario area. And then if you have the funds to get over that threshold of coins, 50,000, 100,000, that will kind of guarantee you the millionaire status, unless you decide to, just take all the money wherever it's at, right? If it's at a $500,000 level and you're like, I'm going to take it, that's fine. But that's the best opportunity to get to that level. So anyways, I want to know what you guys think about this, right? First of all, how much XRP do you hold? What levels are you looking to accept? Do you have an exit plan that you sell in multiple levels, or are you looking for the peak point of whatever your acceptance point is? I want to know all the information down below. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.